As the organizing chairperson, I am very glad and happy to invite you all to the second state annual conference of IFS BIHAR chapter, jointly organized by POGS and NACE on 24th and 25th August 2024 at TAJ in Patna. It is a combination of embryologists and gynecologists. It gives a platform for both of them to intermingle, to exchange their ideas and to express themselves. So all the gynecologists, all the fertility consultants, young bubbling scientists, embryologists, researchers, all are invited to come and join this conference and enrich them with the latest knowledge, latest guidelines and techniques. We have invited international faculties like Judith Manage. We have got many renowned national faculty like Dr. Pankaj Talwar, Dr. Shweta Mittal, Dr. Neena Malhotra, Dr. Pratap Kumar is also coming, and then there are many famous embryologists also part of this conference like Dr. Gaurav Majumdar is there, Dr. Satish Adiga, Dr. Keshav Malhotra is coming. I extend a warm welcome on behalf of my organizing team, Organizing Secretary Dr. Dayanidhi and Joint Organizing Secretaries Dr. Shashibala, Dr. Khushbu, Dr. Simi and Dr. Smriti Sparsh, and then we have Treasurer Dr. Ranjana Sinha and Joint Treasurer Dr. Swapnil. So on behalf of this whole young bubbling team, I extend and welcome you all in the holy and ancient city of Patna. Come and enrich yourself and make this conference a grand success. Thank you all.